like, even now, I can't even pick up anything out there. I'm not licensed.
Alright, here comes the fun part.
I'm standing behind this thing.
HD Towing and Recovery and Tree Removal Services.
Don't put this on the net as a website, or that's all he'll be doing for next week and a half is doing tree removal.
This will be on YouTube with your face on it. Just because of the fact that you started this.
I knocked on the door, I offered the saw, and now we have the entire town here watching us take it down with a tow truck.
Yep.
Oh,
I get to see how strong the winch is now.
Try not to put this completely on YouTube with my face.
That's purposely why I looked at you, just so we could see you.
Oh, yeah. I feel so sorry for this guy.
You're gonna feel sorry if Rob breaks his winch cable because he's gonna charge you for it.
Hey, I wanted to stop. No, my cable should do it.
It should.
Everybody's taking photos and videos.
Of course. It's the most exciting thing in Alliston.
At this point, yes.
Oh, look at her rock.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter if it goes towards the house now.
Well, it does matter if it goes towards the house. It'll still take the fucking house out.
I don't think that freaking Duramax is gonna let it go anywhere.
And... oh. Alright, who wants to yell timber?
Yeah, this bitch is coming down. Slowly but surely.
Timber!
Yes! And it didn't even go on the road. That's perfect. Good job. I'm so happy you don't have to pick it up and move it anywhere. When you're on YouTube yelling gas at the end.